So we're just going to part our hair into two halves, two equal halves from the front of the hair to the back of the head. Okay, so once you're done with the patterns, you're going to design our head. We're just going to first of all curve it. The main aim is to make a heart shape in the middle of the head, so we're going to make a little curve from the top of the head to halfway of the head. Then we repeat the process at the right hand part of your mannequin head or your hair. So the main aim is to get like a curved or a heart shape, even just at the top of the head, the front part of the head. Then I decided to do a little crisscross design to spice up my hairstyle. So I just crisscrossed. I made parts from the right hand into the left part of the hair, and from the left part into the right part of the hair. So here I'm done parting the first part, so the remaining hair we're just going to weave it together following the parts. Here I'm done with the weaving, and I'm just going to part the second half of the head, that's from the heart, from the left part of the heart. We're just going to part it into the crisscross in on the right side. So this is where the crisscross will be happening. Then I just section the remaining part of the braid, like I just part the head down. Once that is sectioned out, I put the remaining head in a bun and I start my designing. So from the left hand part of the head, I cut a little diagonal line. Remember that we're making a heart braid in front, and then you start weaving from the inside of the diagonal line to the edge of the hair, and then you curve it into the body of the head, and then you just crisscross it. Well, you're going to see how that will go. So here I'm curving the head and I'm just curving it diagonal, just like a heart shape. Then I crisscross it. That's the second part I was making. You put it into that crisscross, then you weave it all downwards into a straight back cornrow. When you're done with that, this is what your hair should be looking like, and we're just going to repeat the process for the right hand part of the braid. That is, we part a diagonal line from the middle of the head to the edge, and you just weave it down and you crisscross it. Here I'm done with the braids. This is the back of the head, and I'm just going to do the remaining design of the head. We're going to part the hair into two. The main aim here is to do a zigzag part for this side of the head. So just two braids here, and we're going to do a zigzag, and you're going to see how that will go. So here I'm done with my zigzag parts, and I'm just going to braid the first part of the head. Just going to do a straight cornrow back. So here I'm done with the second straight back cornrow zigzag, and this is the whole final look. I incorporated the hat, side hat, into a full hairstyle, and this is the whole hairstyle.